Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Xubii Tech. I've got some amazing gadgets that will enhance your daily life, making it easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. Imagine shorts that let you charge your devices while you're on the move, or a super portable gadget that sterilizes any surface instantly. Plus, we've got a device that takes hand casting to a whole new level, making it look better than ever before. Introducing the future of pool cleaning, the ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner. Immerse yourself in a new era of effortless pool maintenance with cutting-edge features that turn every pool owner's dream into reality. With exceptional cleaning power, an impressive 6-hour runtime, and compatibility with all pool types, ScavBots brings the pristine beauty of your pool within easy reach. Embrace innovation and immaculateness with ScavBots, your gateway to the future of pool cleaning excellence. Experience the pinnacle of cleaning with ScavBots Robotic Pool Cleaner and its unmatched super cleaning ability. Powered by a cutting-edge patented flow channel design, boasting 1,200 PA suction strength and a high flow rate of 4,800 GPH, our robotic pool cleaner tackles stubborn debris for unparalleled cleaning prowess. The patented flow channel design and energy control technology provide up to 6 hours of continuous cleaning, ensuring your pool stays flawlessly clean, giving you more time to relax and enjoy crystal clear water. Enter the era of Forward CarePod, where the jokes about robots taking over jobs are turning into reality in U.S. clinics. These clinics, devoid of doctors, offer patients services like blood tests, biometric body scans, and disease screenings. The vision is to expand the array of services with artificial intelligence algorithms managing diagnostics and offering recommendations. These compact clinics, aptly named Carepods, can conveniently slot into shopping malls. Access to Carepods comes through a subscription, priced at $99 per. Explore the future of healthcare with Forward CarePod, where innovation meets convenience. Looking to gift something special to your adventure-loving friends into exploring, hiking, fishing, camping, hunting, or backpacking? Explore our multifunctional utility Hatchet Tool. It's a game-changer for camping and survival, featuring a sharp axe blade and a sturdy saw blade. Perfect for effortlessly chopping or sawing firewood. In any outdoor survival scenario, rely on the built-in fire starter and whistle for added safety. Crafted from solid stainless steel with a durable black oxide coating and a bright red high-visibility oxide coating on the handle, this heavy-duty multi-tool is versatile, handling chopping, sawing, and hammering with ease. It includes screwdrivers, wrenches, blades, and more. Responding to your feedback, we've made it longer, heavier, and equipped with the tools you need. At nearly 9 inches, it outperforms similar hatchets that are only 6.7 to 6.9 inches. Discover sTetro, a revolutionary cleaning robot that made waves in the global market between 2015 and 2018, with estimates suggesting sales reached $25.2 million. However, a common hurdle for cleaning robots has been navigating stairs. Singapore has taken on this challenge with sTetro, a specially designed robot capable of effortlessly traversing stairs in both directions. This robot, featuring 3 blocks housing 6 motors, boasts exceptional computer vision through a blend of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and lighter technology. While sTetro has demonstrated promising performance in tests, the prospect of mass production remains uncertain. Witness the future of cleaning technology with sTetro. Venturing into the wild at night poses challenges, and standard night vision goggles often fall short. Infrared options lack vibrancy, while affordable full-color ones compromise image quality. That's where Akaso Seemor steps in, a revolutionary night vision solution. Using IASP technology, it breaks free from limitations, providing clear and colorful exploration in the dark. Survival Dispatch, with 365 subscribers, puts Akaso Seemor to the test in real-world snowy conditions, highlighting its impressive full-color mode. Unlike other devices that offer a black and white view of the night, Seemor brings vibrant colors to nocturnal adventures. It requires fewer lights for full-color mode, ensuring efficiency without turning the surroundings into a spotlight. In challenging lighting conditions, Seemor excels, reproducing true colors without compromise. Seemor's capabilities come from combining a larger CMOS with cutting-edge AIASP technology, delivering superior performance at an affordable price. By eliminating the reliance on traditional infrared, it offers an extended visual range, detecting movements up to 1,640 feet and identifying outlines up to 3,280 feet away. With 16x digital zoom, tailor your observations, seamlessly transitioning between full color and infrared modes. With support for up to a 512 GTF card, Seemor ensures ample storage for adventures, utilizing a 265 encoding for efficient compression. The Akaso Aura app provides specialized support, facilitating easy picture and video transfer to your phone via Wi-Fi. Powered by two 3,200 mAh rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 8 hours of uninterrupted clarity. The USB port allows convenient charging with a mobile power bank or car power. Featuring an IPX5 waterproof rating, Seemor handles light rain effortlessly. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope, level, and compass enhance navigation, while the 3-inch TFT high-definition internal screen ensures a seamless viewing experience. Akaso, renowned for high-quality, affordable action cameras, has expanded its horizons into night vision with Seemor. In less than 9 years, Akaso has become a leading global action camera brand, selling over 500,000 units annually. Now in mass production, the Akaso Seemor's first 2 batches are set to ship in January and February, with the 3rd batch following in March. Check out ZUUM Shoes. These are electric skates that balance themselves, making it a breeze for users to glide effortlessly around. You control them with your feet, and there's no need for straps or harnesses. ZUUM Shoes run on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, offering a range of 3 to 7 miles per charge and a top speed of 8 miles per hour. Perfect for commuters, travelers, or anyone who wants to add a dash of fun to their daily routine, ZUUM Shoes are also an excellent way to get some exercise. They engage all the major muscle groups in your legs and core. If you're on the lookout for a fun, practical, and easy way to get around, ZUUM Shoes are a fantastic choice. And the best part? The current price for ZUUM Shoes is $300. Get ready for a smooth and exciting ride. Meet the DJI Mini Pro 3. Drones for everyone are reaching new heights. This little buddy weighs less than 249 grams and can easily slip into your jacket pocket. But don't let its size fool you. It records stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and can stay airborne for up to 34 minutes with the standard battery or an impressive 47 minutes with the upgraded one. Flying this drone is a breeze, thanks to the Apex 4.0 system that detects obstacles in real time, making it a cinch to avoid them. Plus, with cool recording options like time-lapse and vertical format, this drone is your ticket to creating unforgettable videos that will wow your audience. Get ready to capture the moment with the DJI Mini Pro 3. Stay tuned to discover more exciting innovations from Xubii Tech.